Funny
The DM.
nung live audience natin, like, God damn, these guys can drink and host the show. Yes, we can.
Tapos binangga ko yung sasakyan ko after.
For your liquor launches, you know who to get. You know what I mean?
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's too hot for podcast. It's too hot for podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
And I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast! Oh!
In front of our live studio audience, thank you to Luho once again. But before we open up our show, which you already did, time for some shots. Here we go.
And
Aside from our cocktails.
Yeah, this time, this is the Amaretto Azeda.
Okay, that's the one you're
Thank
drinking,
you.
right? Well, mine
Thanks,
is
Mac.
tequila because I'm on a carnivore
And the
diet.
six-pack, by the way.
Mac.
This is my favorite
Thank you,
beer.
Cheers,
in
cheers,
Luho.
cheers.
Thank you, Luho.
Thank you, Luho. It's great to be here at Luho. Go over here at, of
Thank
course,
you.
it's Almacen Luho in Poblacion.
I love that
Go
almond
get it.
Para
flavor.
kung may ano, no?
It's
May
only
iniiwang puti.
to wipe it. It's like, for camera. Kaya maraming DM eh. Yun yun eh, no? So how you girls doing?
Uy, speaking of DM.
I know. This has been sort of sa previous episodes namin, we would talk about all the DMs that these girls receive. Ako wala akong na-receive na DM. Tinatawag lang akong Squidward, Megamind.
Naku, mahirap, Rico. Kung may
Diba?
DM ka, Rico, mahirap.
May gatas ka pa sa labi.
Gatas kaya yun, Rico. Baka kung anong ginawa nyo kanina.
Well,
Pag-quizy,
okay.
ah.
Sarap ng almond. Thank you.
So ladies, the DMs that you guys have been receiving, can we discuss it on the show?
My God, are you sure you guys want to see the DMs that I'm getting?
Yes! We want. Do you guys want to see it? Pakita na yan.
Sige, yung ano na lang next time, kailangan yung mga dick pics, i-rate nyo, ha?
Alright? So here we go. Okay, let's open one of our
Okay.
messages.
So-
You'll see it on screen. So we'll record it on screen and flash it for you guys.
Sabi,
This is coming from who?
this is coming from XAI.
Sai.
Parang nagtatago.
Sai
Oh,
with
0
no
followers,
picture.
0 post.
Oh, okay.
Alam na
Dummy.
this.
Oh.
Idol, pwede ba ako mag-send ng dick video tapos i-rate mo?
How do you rate these things?
What do you mean? Yung size siguro.
Maliit
And the color.
siya.
And the
So,
color.
kunyari,
May video talaga?
Maliit siya.
talagang tinignan mo eh, no? Gusto ko, so,
Medyo kailangan mo lang
Sorry,
maghilot,
sorry,
guys.
accept mo dapat yung message.
Yeah. Medyo hindi ka naligo ng mga 3 weeks siguro.
Okay,
Ganun.
so pag ganyan, with you girls, I mean, how do you rate it? Is
I
it,
never liked the look of it, so don't ask me.
Ayan, yung
It's just
picture,
the
oh.
functionality.
Yung
That
una kasi
matters.
pag tiningnan ko, alam mo sa totoo lang, Rico, pag tinitingnan ko yung mga dick pics na sinisend nila, nagsisquint muna ako. Kasi dun ko na may measure yung ano eh, yung size, yung gano'n. Ay, ito malaki to, Rico.
So how do you rate it?
Yeah, it's black. Mga ano, si Rico, Phoebe, can you rate Rico? Based on your head, Rico, it's like
If you look at
10.
it, there's length, there's girth. I mean, girls, how do you rate it? How do you rate it?
I don't know. Ask Cherie.
How would you rate it? I'm holding it as
Wala
it is.
ko. Siyempre, sa dami ng nakikita kong sizes, i-rate ko yun kung anong
Yung length.
Number 1, pinakamalinis. Yung walang burnik-burnik.
Mali. Yung amoy.
Yung medyo walang
What
libag-libag.
is Bornick? What is that?
Ganon. You know that hair in the
Cornic.
middle of the balls and the puwet?
Oh, that's what you call it?
Ah.
Kasi,
di ba yan
kasi
yun?
dati, merong bigote at,
Yeah.
ano yun? Bigote at, di ba yung gano'n? Mustache at ano?
Yeah.
something. So, akala ko at ang
tsaka.
tawag. At tsaka.
At tsaka
So, yun pala yun. Kala ko at
Oo.
tsaka tawag doon.
Doon ko na lang din nalaman yun eh. So ngayon, every time na, sabi ganun, so ngayon, every time na tinitingnan mo muna, ay, wala siyang burnek. Okay, pwede na to. Ganon.
So, does it, I mean, with you guys, when you see that little hair, is that like, are you turned on without
I
it?
don't know.
or
I
with
don't
it?
look at it, Rico.
You know?
I mean, like, why?
Ako kasi kailangan.
Tinitingnan mo ba yung burik ni Rico?
Plus
Fibs?
points kasi yung hygiene sa akin
Hygiene.
Hygiene.
Okay.
Siyempre, pag malinis siya, the way
Gusto ko yung malinis.
Naramdaman ko yun. Dali na magaling ako. Uy. Alam mo yun?
Like the way
Gawin mo ulit.
No.
Gawin mo ulit, go.
Like the way I...
Naramdaman ko yun. Grabe.
No. Like the way I clean myself, that's how I expect him to clean himself down there. Diba? Yun lang. Tsaka
ikaw
yung mabango
yun.
sana, yung mabango.
Yeah.
PH care.
Oo.
Ganun.
Mukhang ginagamit naman ni Rico yung naiiwan mong PH care sa bahay niya.
Kaya naubos eh.
Yeah. So yun, Rico, I rate it based on cleanliness,
Okay.
based on size.
Size.
How big is
So,
too, but how
size-
big is too big
Wait.
though?
Pag mga kasing laki ng iPhone 16, pwede na yun.
Can you, or if you're,
Wait.
or go.
You mean size length or width?
Length and width.
Both. Kasi mas importante sa akin yung length.
Oo, kasi minsan 'di ba may mga dick pic na parang bumbilya, yung parang feeling mo pagpasok.
Ang tawag doon, maling.
Oo.
Yung puro girth, walang length.
Oo, so parang pag tinignan mo siya, eto ang tunog nito pag pumasok. Tapos meron naman, meron naman,
Ang
meron naman,
bilis.
asan na? Is it there?
Okay.
Ganon. Kahit
my
pag somersault ka, walang mapipil.
Oh.
Ganon. So that's how you
So what do
rate
you
it.
prefer? Do you prefer like beyond 5 inches? That kind of thing?
Size matters
Filipino
for
is
me.
average, right?
No, it's the performance.
Ah,
The performance.
Oo naman.
It's how you ride that wave, right?
Mahilig siya talagang
May
gumana.
ganun
eh.
Dancer kasi ako. So kailangan
Gusto ko yung may
movements.
ganon. Tsaka kay Rico may ganon. Alam ko na Rico.
Na-turn on ako ng ganun. Di ba? Na-feel nyo, di ba? It's like yung, look, goosebumps, man.
Rico, ewan ko lang sa kanila. Ikaw yung laging nakaka-feel
Hindi
niyan
ba?
live.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay.
So ride the wave.
Okay. Ako rin may DM, guys.
So ikaw, Rico, hindi ka
Puta na,
nakakatanggap
sino
ng
nag-DM sa'yo? Sino yan?
No.
Ay,
Okay.
teka lang, hindi kayo mag-jowa sa show
sige
na to.
yan, sige yan.
Nire-remind
Sige
ko
yan.
lang.
Sige.
Bakit
Artista ba yan?
No. Okay, hindi. First of all, marami tayong audience na nanonood sa set
Yes.
ng Lumod Ka sa Lupa.
Oy!
Oh,
Thank
Like,
you!
even my co-actors, they're like, uy, Phoebe, napanood ko kayo sa Reels, Instagram, Facebook. So we circulate a lot there. So thank you
Oo
so
nga.
much,
Thank
guys.
you. In Los Angeles. I came from there. A lot of Pinoys come up to me at the airport. Uy, dildo pala. Ako naman para bang I'm with my mom, guys. I was at Costco, as well. I was like,
Oo nga. Medyo madami.
right.
Malayo-layo na naaabot natin.
You know, you
sa mga
know.
kababayan natin sa Milan, ang dami ring nag-approach doon.
And her BB
Yeah.
friends, Gcash, we accept the money that you have.
Ayan, yan yung
Yeah.
favorite DM ko. So wait natin. I-announce natin dito yung number.
Oh, go.
Oh,
Ito,
sabi
may
niya-
DM. This is funny. This is
Okay.
funny.
Sabi niya, hi idol. Ay, hindi, iba pala to. Pangatlo to.
Ang cute na tawag
Nasaan
sa'yo.
na yun?
Hi, idol.
Oo, sabi niya-
Parang si Manny Pacquiao lang yung kausap
Sabi niya,
nila. no?
idol, anong Gcash number magsisend ako?
For what? Anong kapalit?
Kasi sabi ko, sige, kasi meron di ba may topic tayo about foot fetish.
Yes.
Tapos sabi niya, gusto daw niya ng foot picture. Sabi ko, send Gcash 1 million. Sabi niya, ano po yung phone number? Isisend ko na ngayon.
She messages me and
Sabi-
I go, and what did I tell you?
Rico is like, send my number. Rico send me his number.
Put Rico P. That's me. 1 million yun.
So kay Rico kayo magbayad, guys.
I'll
May
send
share
you.
talaga siya.
I'll send you
Manager
a-
namin to sa mga
A foot photo.
Yeah.
I got you, bro. Hairy
foot
nipples, I got
pictures,
you.
kilikili pictures, gano'n.
Got you on that. You know what
Uy,
I mean?
pero totoo yun ha. Talagang may bumibili.
Oh, really?
Ano ka ba, Rico? Nabenta ko yung kilikili ko one time.
How much did you make?
I made $500.
Wow!
$25,000
$25,000 pesos!
Pinambayad ko ng
Peso.
kuryente.
Palakpakan natin ang isa naman nating kababayan na naka-ahon kaya sa
I know,
kahirapan.
right? May pambayad ako ng Meralco ko, guys. Thank you ha, sa pagbili ng kilikili ko.
So again, we could sell that.
Oh
Okay?
my
You let me
God.
know. You let me know.
Minamanage yung jowa niya.
Let's talk about it. All right, time for our jar.
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
Here we go.
Rated R jar.
Thank you, sir. May mga DM ka pa bang gusto i-share?
Ano ba yan? Yun yung pangalawa. Gusto mo
Okay,
pa?
pangatlo. Tatlo tayo sa DMs. Sa DMs.
Medyo bastos tong pangatlo.
Okay,
Ang
before
lakas.
we go to the jar, let's go one more DM.
Sabi niya, si King.enamo.
Okay. Napaka-original nung King.enamo. That's not a troll at
Sabi
all.
niya, hi idol, kakatapos lang mag-jacks. Ano yung jacks?
Jack and Boy, Jack Stone.
Jackstone ba yun? Ano po ba yung...
He just got done jacking off.
Jacks.
I think.
Jacks daw.
Jacks. That's a new term. Gen Z. What'd you do today, bro? Jacks lang.
Basta siguraduhin mo lang wag medyas mo yung ipampunas mo.
What'd you do this morning? Jaxi for run. Jaxi for Strava.
Grabe
Alright,
Grabe yung mga DMs. Send in more DMs, guys, para mabasa namin dito.
We do have a community page. You can look at it on the screen.
We will announce that.
Thank you to Mix for telling me to form a community here in our group. So we do have a community. We have a community now. You guys are called hotties. Look at you
Hotties.
watching. Oh, you hotties. Yeah.
Nakakatuwa,
So may nag-DM din sa akin. But the funny thing about this show is they feel like authority tayo pagdating sa sex.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So may mga nagtatanong lang sa akin ng mga questions about sex, about ganyan. So like when this person, si Carl.
Oh, si Carl. Kilala ko ba yan?
Any suggestion in bed so my partner will be more satisfied? Mga ganon na questions lang na pinapadala nila.
So,
mine is very wholesome, right?
Sex advice.
Sex advice.
Diba? Squidward. Labo
Meron pa nga nagtanong, sabi.
Ano ba yun, di ba?
Meron pa nagtanong, nag-DM din, sabi, ano daw ang perfect dildo na pwedeng gamitin? Sabi ko, depende yun. Pag nasa traffic, gamitin nyo yung bullet na dildo para hindi kayo bored. Diba?
Tsaka mabilis. Maliit lang, madali lang dalhin.
Tsaka pag travel, gamitin nyo yung lipstick dildo. Kasi mahirap na pag dinala nyo yung real dildo sa airport, baka doon kayo magkaroon ng problema, diba?
Ano kayo, no? What do you call it? What do you call it? TSA.
Oo, baka ma-TSA ka.
I cannot relate to dildos.
So, meron ding different. Meron ding dildos for men and women, ha?
Ano yun? We put it in.
Yeah.
No, I think the
Huy,
male...
marami nagtatanong, ha? Sa dildong nyo, sa post nyo.
Kaya
Sino
nga,
ba
marami
yun?
nga.
Pinangalanan pa niya. Pero hindi siya yun. Nakita ko yun sa comment section.
Sino?
Yung part na nasa reel natin na nagkaroon ka ng sex and then the guy that took the dildo. Kala niya, si baby daddy mo.
Hindi yun.
Hindi
yun. Oo. Ano yun? Trained yun.
But yeah.
Trained. Pangalanan na natin. Si ano po yun? Nagsimula sa pangalan.
Yes.
Wag nating sirain yung buhay niya.
May career, showbiz ba?
Oo, pero wala siyang career ngayon. So okay lang.
Okay.
Oo. Nagpahinga na siya sa ano.
Bigyan natin ulit ng career. Pangalanan mo.
Ang pangalan po niya ay
Baka
si ano.
sasayaw sa isang bar. Yun ang uso ngayon, di ba? Magkakasino.
Hindi naman. Kawawa naman. Itago na lang natin yun para sa kanya. Kawawa naman
DM
siya.
us and maybe we'll DM you who that
Send Gcash.
celebrity is. Thank you for all your DMs to the ladies. Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Ladies, DM
At
me
least
naman
kahit pa
about
paano
it.
na-apektuhan namin kayo.
Okay, we do have our first rated R jar question. This is coming from our live studio audience.
Woohoo!
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Andrea.
Hi, Andrea.
Andrea.
Hello.
Ay, nag-i-echo.
I don't know what's happening. Yes, so the question is, the concept of the one, reality or fantasy?
The one.
The
Ito
one?
yung the one that got away or the one for you?
Reality or fantasy?
That is a good question.
My gosh.
That is
May one.
Alam mo, sa
the
totoo
one,
lang,
Shiri?
napaka mahirap maghanap. Especially nowadays, it's so hard to find the one. Kasi yung the one na yan, marami din siyang another the one. So may the one, the two, the three, the four siya. So parang nowadays, it's kind of hard to find that one person. So if you find that one person and you already have that one person in your life, keep them. Kasi sometimes, pag nasa relationship tayo, kahit na yun na yung the one natin, naghahanap pa rin tayo ng iba. Alam mo yun yung parang magka-red flag lang ng konti.
Nakakilatis ka na.
Oo, parang iisipin mo na hindi ito yung the one. So parang if you have them and then you feel na love mo na tong person na to and you feel na you get along really well kasi every relationship will always have like a problem.
Kinig ka.
'Di ba? Meron talaga wala namang perfect relationship So kung bearable naman at yung hindi ka naman sinasaktan, 'di ba?
Tama.
Love nyo naman yung isa't isa,
That's
keep
right.
that person.
Tama
Kasi
yun.
nowadays, I swear, it's so hard to find the one.
Kita mo.
So I think is it a fantasy? I guess. I guess so.
A little. So when you say the one, medyo soulmate yung dating, ano?
Yeah.
Parang your soulmate.
Kasi you'll feel it
Tama,
You'll
tama.
feel it.
Yeah, but then not everybody finds your soulmate. Naniniwala kayo doon.
Oh, tama. Tama yan. I'm listening, girls.
This is the most agreeable you've ever been in your
Yes,
life.
that's right.
Yeah. You just have to keep it. If meron namang respect yung relationship nyo, you love each other, and you think that you found this person and you found whatever you need dito sa taong to and you get along, you guys take care of each other and then you love each other, you have plans for each other, keep them.
Oo, yun eh. Yung pressure talaga no? Yung pressure, yun yung lahat. Tangina, no?
Lahat kami, pati audience, Rico, nakatingin
may
sa'yo.
pressure ako sa inyo lahat But
Si
yes,
Phoebe parang-
yes. Oh my God! Time for some more shots. Just
Saved
the
by the
right.
shot. Thank you.
Here we go.
tuloy mag-ano.
Of course. Thank you to our friends at Havas.
Thank
Hello.
you.
Alright.
Parang gusto ko tuloy mag-tequila din.
Cheers. You're getting vodka, but I have
Thank you so
tequila. Thank you, guys.
much.
Thank you. Live studio audience.
Ang tapang.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Luho.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Luho.
Luho. Of course,
Awesome.
go over to Luho over here in Poblacion.
Poblacion.
Yeah, upscale Mexican
It's so
food at its finest.
Everything delish.
It's so good that you'll get down on one knee and say, I do. That's how
Wait,
good
you
it
get
is.
down and you say I do. Parang baliktad.
Yeah, you say, I do.
Ah.
Yeah.
Uy, hindi kayo mag-jowa dito.
Yeah.
Sweet naman
Okay.
itong dalawa.
Oh,
Yeah, go down on her. On camera.
Teka, iba yung sa akin yung go down
Ako rin
At dahil
Naisip ko
dyan,
dun dila. Tsaka,
bunot na ako.
Ay,
bunot ka na,
Rico.
sige.
Okay.
Thank you to Luho for
Rated
24 karat
Social
gold.
na ha, social. Social na yung
Right.
rated R jar natin.
Oh, okay. That's a good one. What is the weirdest thing someone has asked you to do during sex? I want to hear Rico. Sir?
Rico, ikaw
Oh,
muna.
Sige.
Mag-iisip
Hindi ako
ako.
magagalit. Charot.
Weirdest thing?
Yeah, during
Somebody
sex.
ever asked?
Uh-uh.
I asked it.
No,
I asked the person.
pwede ba yun? Oh, sige.
Okay,
Okay.
I
Si
asked
Meg
it.
yung ating judge.
O, di ka magagalit ha. Hindi ka magagalit ha. Honest lang ha. Honest.
Okay, go. Let's see.
Okay.
Go, let's see, mamaya sa ano ka na. Sa kali ka na matulog.
Kasi nung time na yon, I was probably 25, I think at that time. I had hair and
Medyo
everything.
matigas
right?
pa yung ano mo nun.
Lahat.
Oo.
And then I told the girl at that time, when they were having sex, it was lunchtime. And then they were having sex. And I said, can I take this meeting call real quick?
What? While you're having...
So I was on a meeting because it was for a gig.
can just
And they were briefing me for hosting in Mall of Asia. And I had to be brief. And at the same time, wala akong brief at the time. Sini-speaker ko lang. Sabi ko, huwag lang maingay. I just had to take a call. And it was a 15-minute call.
Buti nila naririnig yung...
So it was that moment that I had to ask like, okay lang ba? And then, yeah. So, and she said, okay.
So, hindi na nalaman or narinig nung...
No, nobody.
Tapos naka-on pala yung video mo, no? Hindi mo na-realize.
At that time, kung may 32 ton kayo at may camera kayo doon, 8-bit. Yeah. So that was something weird that you know.
3210.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi ka pa
Ayan, nagagalit
pinapanganak
na si
nun.
PB.
Parang grade 4 ata.
Grade 4. Yeah, at that time. So that's my side of the story. So,
Weirdest thing. Ikaw, Shuri,
before
weirdest
we
thing.
hear Phoebe's and all that.
Oh my gosh.
Pee on me. Does everybody say that? Pee on me, Sheree.
Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko ba to.
Show me your bulaklak, you Viva Hot Babe. Ganun na. Ano,
Pero nakwento ko na eh.
Ano?
Yun nga.
Si dildo.
Yeah, I think that was the weirdest talaga na experience for me.
I'm sure there'll be more.
Somebody asked you to do.
Para bang put your finger in my butt.
Asked you to do. Oo.
Walang
Yung
ganun.
inutos niya sa'yo, girl.
No! I never had a finger in my butt, so that's not normal.
Normal yun, di ba?
All the guys are like, you never did? Bro, you should try
guys, you have to try it. It's so good daw. Like mga 1 inch. Yeah. Basta maligo lang.
And then pink. Nabother ako,
Phoebe,
grabe.
try mo. Mga 1 inch. Pag na-enjoy ni Rico yan,
Yung
alam na
smile niya,
this.
well, look at that. 1 inch.
Tapos sasabihin ni Rico, ni Phoebe, Shiri, napasok ko lahat, buong daliri ko. Nag-enjoy si
Nabother
Rico.
ako doon, sorry. Kasi nga, ganun din nga. Para pang nagustuhan mo.
Alam mo,
Lagi mo na
ko,
siyang gagawin.
Hindi ba? It's
yeah,
like,
why not?
like when people offer me like drugs, right? People offer me all this shit, right? I go, I ain't gonna try it. Why? Because they don't have it in the Philippines. It's expensive. So I don't try it. So I go, why? Because I'm gonna look for it. The same thing. If you put a finger in my butt, if I like it, I might enjoy it. And from the finger, it'll be other things that I wanted in my butt. I'm not entertaining the idea. Because you have to sustain.
Hindi, di dun mo malalaman,
Oo,
Rico.
diba? Ganun
Oo,
yun.
why not?
Oh,
Cucumber.
Isa mo. Oh, di ba?
Rico.
Medyo bulok-bulok na yung cucumber niyo. May mga not so tender parts. Pero yun.
Medyo magkaka-yeast infection ka na dyan.
Yes. Pero yun nga, I mean, if you have to, when you get into something like that, you have to be able to sustain it. Because as human beings, the level just gets on.
Gusto ko yun yung talaga inisip ni Rico.
Oo nga,
Paano
yung
pag na-enjoy niya yun?
Yung isa-sustain no?
Oh.
No, I mean, kapag pag special occasion.
Diba? Happy birthday! Hoy, babe!
Or
ang galing ng bonus mo! Talikod ka! Oh! Know what? I'm gonna put a whole fist in there!
Anniversary, mga ganon.
You deserve it!
Hey, babe. Happy New Year.
Okay, next
Alam mo
question,
na.
guys.
Anif natin, babe.
Oh,
3 fingers
I
naman
cannot. Nai-imagine ko na Rico.
Happy
Ayoko.
Anif!
Ayoko na. Okay.
Ikaw na, no? Go.
Grabe itong mga questions natin, ha? In fairness,
Ininom
ha?
yung drink ko, ganun kalupit yun.
Parang napagod ako dun, ha? Teka.
My goodness.
Where's your biggest sexual turn
Oh,
off?
sexual turn off. This is nice.
Unhygienic.
Turn off?
I had a couple
Is that a
moments.
sexual
Ako din.
turn-off?
Ako
That is a
din.
turn off. That is a
Ayoko
turn
yung may
off.
amoy. Ayoko talaga yung may amoy.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. I think,
Turn off.
tsaka
Yung
bad
ano,
breath. Tsaka
ano?
bad breath.
Yeah, bad friend.
a turn off is that pag umutot siya. When you're having sex, when they fart.
Eh, paano pag pussy fart?
No, it's not a pussy fart, but that shit smell like cheeseburger, man. You know what I mean? I was like, did you have a Big Mac? I think you did. You know what I mean? It's just,
Mas mahirap yun pag...
there's that moment. It happens. That's the
Di naman si
thing.
Phoebe yun.
No. Or like they have like one long strand of a hair in their nipple. You know, it was like off, you know? It's just
May ganun ba?
there are people like
Bakit
that.
may buhok sa nipple, Rico?
I don't know. I have some. But,
Sino ba yung nakasex mo
I
yun?
don't, no, I mean like these are like questions that this is just a hypothetical thing. Diba?
Pag umutot.
Like when you're having sex and you had that moment na hindi mo alam pala na meron something off about the person. Can you break up with that person? Do you tell them? Like para bang
If something, okay, so for me, the answer would be, so this guy asked me to do something na medyo parang homo yung dating sa akin.
define.
Parang, basta it's not something like a boy and a girl would do.
Mm.
Okay, so he asked me to do it, right?
Pee
And
on him? Ganun?
No.
What?
Homo nga.
Ano nga? Put your thumb? I never asked you to put your thumb on my arm.
No, not you. So anyway, so syempre, that was a
I wanna
turn
hear
off
this.
for me.
Chismisin natin.
And then, hindi ko na siya, I didn't meet him afterwards.
Ayun. Ano to, mga kadate mo
Like
nung
what?
single
Like
ka?
what? Exactly.
Pwede ko ba sabihin ko?
Go, sabihin mo na.
Sabihin mo na, hindi mo
Ito,
na
hawakan mo to.
Kung gusto mo, pangalanan mo na rin
our pipino of power. Oh, yan. Hawakan mo.
Kung
When
gusto
you
mo
hold this, it empowers
pangalanan
you.
mo na rin eh.
Pangalanan mo na. Go. Hawakan mo. Go.
Gusto niya ng foreplay na heavily focused on the nipples.
Oh.
Ayan.
Sa lalaki?
Sa lalaki. So, medyo yung dating sa akin at the time was like, maybe he has interactions with...
No, but I
Yun yung
think...
dating sa akin
No, but I think kasi merong guys na... Kasi just like us girls, di ba? When we make love, yung nipple kasi is very... Like yung connection ng nipples tsaka ng genitals. ng genitals. It's very sensitive eh.
Agree ba
Yeah.
kayo,
So, like,
audience? Agree?
Yeah, like audience, what's your experience on that?
See, I see some guys shaking their heads.
For me, it does. Like, it does.
Sean on the camera.
I mean, like, it does affect, like, me with the nipple.
Sa babae.
It's same thing with, I think, with men. Am I right?
No, kasi I asked Rico.
Am I right for the men?
Sa guys.
Some? Diba kasi
Some guys.
I also experienced that na parang, syempre weird kasi siya for us girls. Kasi parang, pagka ginawa natin yun, parang yun nga, parang girl-to-girl action yun, di ba?
Oo.
But kasi, may guys talaga na merong connection sa kanila yung nipples and yung putotoy nila.
So ito na yun,
Yeah.
no?
Meron.
Okay,
Sa lahat
okay.
ng bagay sa buhay, naghahanap ka ng kasagutan. When Phoebe and I were first dating, hindi ko maintindihan why she was licking my nipples. Yun pala yun! I was like, Phoebe, why are you like, I feel so violated. I never felt so violated in my life. Naalala mo yun?
Excuse me.
Sabi niya, he like that. Sabi ko, I never had anybody to do that.
Oy, don't lie like
Oy,
that.
pero nagustuhan mo, Rico. Nagustuhan mo.
You know it, right?
No.
Nagustuhan mo
I was
naman.
bothered.
Why?
Kasi I was starting to enjoy it. I was like, wow. It was weird.
No, but really,
It
there
was
are
weird.
men talaga. There
It's
are
the first
men.
time. I got virginized.
Actually, ni-research ko din siya kasi nga sa sobrang na-bother din ako nung time na yon na parang, shucks, bakit pinapalik niya sa akin yung, bakit? So, ni-research ko siya.
So, kinaagat mo rin. Like,
okay.
Hindi naman kinakagat. Masakit yun, syempre. Masakit yun.
Nibble lang, nibble.
O, nibble lang. Kasi
nibble
parang
Nibble
apparently,
on the nipple.
meron pala siyang connection dun sa yun. Kumbaga, nag-connect pala yun. So,
Yeah.
kapag ka chinorva mo yung ganon.
So, you have to lick the nipple, put your finger in his butt, and do that all at the same time?
well, kung gusto niya.
I
Malay mo.
never felt that.
Phoebe,
but
alam mo na.
I'm
Kailangan
curious
i-try
now.
mo
Okay.
yan.
Hindi, depende talaga sa guy. Kanya-kanya kasi silang mga, siguro fetish niya yun. Diba?
Oo. Pero
And
pero
then-
talagang meron.
Oo.
Kasi, actually, noong una talaga na-weirduhan din ako. But apparently,
some guys like it.
yes. Yes.
So yun, so that was my turn off. Medyo na turn off ako dun. Kasi parang it's not something
Na
usual
ano.
for a guy.
Na-turn off siya, pero tinry siya sa akin. Hala mo.
Bakit lagi bumabalik sa'yo? Seloso ka ba?
Hindi
Hindi,
naman.
kasi nga love ka ni Phoebe.
Kasi nga ano ako nang
At
parang
saka
oras
feeling
na.
kasi ni Phoebe, yung puwet mo, pwede mong, baka ma-enjoy mo. Malay mo, ma-enjoy mo yun.
Virgin butt
Oo.
and virgin nipples. Pa
Yeah, at least hindi na virgin yung nipples. Na-virginized na ni Phoebe.
For those watching, I'm telling you, once you pop, you cannot stop. It's like Pringles, you know? Ibang klase.
Kaya pala, unli pop yung pangalan yung dalawa eh. Alam na this.
Yeah, but you know,
Alright,
thank you
okay.
guys. Of course, time
Yes.
for our naked truth.
Oh my god. The Naked Truth. Too hot for podcast. The Naked Truth.
Here we go. Thank you to our live studio audience once
Natawa
again
ako
for the
din.
questions and then for all the great drinks here at Luho. Things that we've come to learn in this episode. This one's quite an interesting one. Wherein marami tayong na-discover about fetishes, about things, about
Phoebe.
Yes. Sa mga lalaki,
my
sa mga DM
gosh.
ninyo.
Yeah.
Ladies, I gotta give it up to you girls kasi the DMs that you guys get from the show is, I don't know how I would answer it, you know, and you guys are doing a great job in answering it respectfully for you
Yeah.
two. And for all the DM senders, just be a little kinder. put please at the end of your messages.
Yeah, no, and all I can say kasi syempre is the three of us, we're not kumbaga 100% na masasabi mong authority or experts on the matter. We're just talking from our experience.
That's right.
And sa mga perspective natin.
Some friends.
Oo, diba?
Experiences,
Sa experience din ng friends natin.
Yeah.
So wala, sometimes people are unkind online, you know?
Yes, they have a lot of opinions. So
Ang
we're all good
dami,
for it.
Grabe.
We're
Pero
all good for
it's
it.
okay. We're open to reading all your messages and looking at all your dick pics. Medyo magkuskus naman kayo guys ng ano. Kasi ang daming libag. Tas tsaka na kayo mag-send pag medyo maputi-puti na yung mga singit-singit nyo, diba? Tsaka maglinis naman kayo. Yun lang yung sa akin.
But you know, if you guys want to
Kay
further...
Rico ko rin naman sinisend
Yes,
lahat yun eh.
I get it. 2:00 on a Sunday. Yes, I get it. But you know, for those who want to discuss things further as well, feel free to join our community on this page. You will see it. And be part of it. Of course, you hotties out there, thank you for watching. And speaking of communities, I want to congratulate Chicks to Go for their live show, for their Fans Day. Everybody was there. Congratulations. Of course, they're all part of Sonder and also the Case Drama as well. But Chicks to Go had their successful Grand Eyeball, which is really, really cool. So congratulations to you guys.
Yeah.
And to everybody who watch us, maraming salamat.
Thank
sa all
you
the
so
different
much,
programs.
everyone.
This is like
and
public
since-
service.
Exactly. No, and since we are plugging, guys, sa mga hotties natin who
May
love
pelikula.
Ito na.
horror, please do watch Lilim. That's coming out in cinemas March 12. That's directed by Direct Mikhail Red by Evolve Studios and Viva Studios. So please do watch Lilim. Sa mga mahilig sa madre, yung mga nanood sa akin na sa seklusyon, madre na naman ako dito. So
Madre
please do watch
Rico.
Lilim.
If she's a madre, I'm a madre packer.
Uy, Rico, patay ka talaga. Yan ka na naman. May
Edit nyo na lang.
Dapat i-blip mo na lang yan.
Yes. Okay, so do catch the movie. It's out now. She plays an interesting character there.
Yeah.
Always
So-
naman eh. Phoebe is one of the, one of the actresses that you'll see na who plays some different roles in,
Ikaw, anong role ang gusto mong i-play?
Lagi naman akong kontrabida eh. Laging nananapak. Pero you know what? I like that better. Watch pala Wish Ko Lang, Saturdays. We will be there with Aramina. Yeah, so on GMA 7. Palaging akong kontrabida. Kasi I tried playing a role na yung bida,
Mabait.
tapos umiiyak.
Oo.
Ayoko na.
Mahirap,
Sabi ko,
no?
ayoko na, hindi ko kaya. Napakahirap pala nito. Kasi mas nakakapagod yung umiiyak. Kaysa yung nananapak ka lang, yung parang minsan nakakakonsensya, pero at least hindi masyadong mabigat. Kasi parang you'll get to experience something na hindi mo nagagawa sa totoong buhay.
Buti na lang yung
Exactly.
role ko talaga. I've played a lot. Scientist, astronaut, magsasaka.
Mass
You know,
murderer.
Yun ang mga role natin. So maraming salamat. Of course, our last shot. Come on down. This is courtesy of Kayla Rivera.
Ang beautiful.
Pakita mo yung engagement ring. Pakita the newly engaged Kayla Rivera. Show your engagement ring. Show your engagement ring. Show the ring. Show the ring. Congratulations to Kayla and Migs. Cheers, everybody.
Kayla, you have a show, diba? You have a musical.
Okay, musical.
Coming months, yeah. So it's been announced that Joseph the Dreamer is doing a rerun this July.
Ooh,
So everyone,
wow.
please do support, and we'll see you at RCBC in Makati. Yeah.
So it's gonna be happening July 2025, right?
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right.
Support Kayla.
Yay!
Everyone.
All right,
yes,
New
yes.
Hot for Podcast. Let's
Yes.
go.
Thank you,
Thank you, thank you guys. Thank you very
Kayla
much.
Rivera.
There you
Salamat,
go.
salamat.
Joseph the Dreamer, July
Joseph the
2025.
Dreamer.
Get your tickets now. That's what it's all about. Okay, so there you have it.
diba?
Thank you to our live studio audience. Once again, we hope you learn a thing or two. Do share this to the people out there who needs that help that you could learn from us. Till then,
Yeah.
my name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
And I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for
Podcast.
Bye!